Hello, everybody. I'm Helen Panza, and I'm your instructor for Business 220, which begins on July 22nd. Business 220 is the Principles of Management course here at Bryan University. This is a great class, but I will tell you, sharpen your pencils. We're going to do a lot of writing in this class. Our class begins right on time on Monday the 22nd, so get in there early. Start your Learn-Its, you know how to do that. Get into Yellow Dig, respond to the prompt that's out there. Introduce yourself again to your classmates. You've probably been in class with all these students before in your Business 105 class. Tell them something you don't know. Tell them something new about yourself. We will have 4 live sessions during this term. Our first live session is the evening of July 24th. There will be no morning live session during week 1. Our second live session will be on August 7th, followed by August 21st, and then our last one on September 4th. Those will all have morning and evening live sessions available for you to attend. Check your course under Zoom meetings to find the exact link and times of your meetings. Mark your calendars. It's important in this class to be organized. Know when your assignments are due. Start them early in the week. They take time. Writing is a process, and we'll be talking about that process during one of our live sessions. But take your time and edit and turn in your assignments on time. What else can I tell you about the class? The topics are going to be fascinating. You will enjoy them immensely, and I will see you on July 24th in our next and first evening live session for Business 220. Get your grid on, approach this with an open growth mindset, and I will see you soon.